Anyway, we don't know where these things have been cutting off, so
yeah, we just
excuse us. Oh, we came in the bathroom to talk about Horosity.
We did?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the name, Horosity.
What?
Of her.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like that too.
Has a ring to it.
Yeah.
Like the sound.
Like I wish that like the chorus of people that she's been playing games with would just like all come together and break, because they're all linked together somehow, some way.
Yeah, they are.
And I wish they would all get together and just break out in song. Quit playing games with my heart. She's a whore.
Horosity. That's
Horosity. She is. She's a, I don't know, flirt whore. It's not even flirting. It's just horosity. She took it to the next level.
What was I saying?
What were you about to say?
I don't know. So yeah, look.
Yeah, that's what we came in here for, to talk about.
Because it pisses me off. And I don't
It
use that
pisses
word.
me off. You use that word.
Yeah, I mean, not a lot. Just random weeks. I have my week where I say it, and then I stop.
It is one of them weeks.
Yeah.
We're back. We're back here.
We
It's
miss
Wednesday,
you,
though.
Shay.
Shay, we love you. Yo.
You scared the crap.
God. I was so hurt.
I was too. I was like, she doesn't love us anymore. Did she think we're whores? Did she think we're drippy whores? I was so sad. You know, I told you at the end of that, I am paranoid.
Yes,
like,
we love you, Shay. We really do.
We love you, Shay.
We have a lot in Shayna. I don't put out the last name like that, should I?
No.
No. It's not. You have a nice name, though.
Horosity, you might look that up.
Oh, yeah.
Make something out of that.
Yeah, her and her horosity. She loves meeting people and thinking that she got it like that. Whore. That's why she ain't.
We didn't say anything.
I'm
Time now. You.
Okay. Alright, and we're back. But yeah. That's why. Yeah, we do love you though.
Yeah, like seriously.
And I'm glad you're not mad at us.
I
know you really don't have would have a reason to be mad at us.
I'm like I said,
We're paranoid. I was hurt. Even though I was going through my thing on the side of the road. I was like, God, everything's just going south as we're going south down to North Carolina.
That just sounds backwards.
South and north, yeah. What is that?
I don't know. It's like white people hair.
Ew.
Okay. Anyway. Sorry.